Now let's move on to the reading of the free text. The free text, exercise 6a. So we've got text, the nearly man. So the nearly man is an introduction to the three texts you're going to read. And I'm going to read the introduction, okay, just to make sure everything is clear and what the text is going to be about. So, the nearly man. Technological advance is not a smooth process. Often the pioneers don't get the credit they deserve, or they pay the price for being first. Sometimes they fail to protect their ideas by taking out a patent. In this short article, our correspondent celebrates 3 of these unsung heroes responsible for some of the most important pieces of communication technology. So I'm going to explain a little bit. Alright, so the first word we have in the introduction to the free text is, what is it? To take out a patent. To take out a patent. So to take out a patent, if you are an inventor or if you have invented something, is to register an invention with the government so nobody can steal it. I repeat, to take out a patent is to register an invention with the government so nobody can steal it, or nobody can pretend that he or she was the inventor. Okay? Right. Another word we should also know before reading the text is, it's not a word in fact, but a phrase, unsung heroes. It's in the introduction, unsung heroes. You know that heroes in some tales or in some movies, for example, like Romeo and Juliet, or what heroes? Or Batman, okay, these are also heroes. They've got songs written about them. They've got songs sung about them. So, an unsung hero then is a hero who is not celebrated. A hero whom nobody knows. A hero that nobody admires because people don't know about them. So, those 3 inventors whom we're going to read about are inventors that people don't know. They were the real inventors of the objects, of the technology pieces we're going to see in the text, but people don't know about that. Alright? So, we're going to read about them. And as I told you earlier, because we're going to read about 3 inventors, we're going to have 3 texts, but we're going to use the same questions for the 3 texts. The questions are in exercise 6a. So just forget about the first instruction, work in groups of 3, because you are working on your own. So each of you is going to read the introduction, which I have already read, but you can reread it. And read all of the text. Okay, read all of the text. The text 1 is Up in the Air. Text 2 is The Right Man. And text 3 is Call Waiting. Text 3 is Call Waiting. So you're going to use the same questions 1 to 5, for all the 3 texts. I'm going to read the questions before you take some time to do the exercise. Question 1 is, who is the text about? Question 2, what did the person do? 3, when did they do it? And 4, why did they fail? And 5, what recent developments have there been? Now I've got a few minutes to read the text, answer the questions, and then I'll get back to you for the corrections.